It's two retarded people. Even that lady, look at that lady's face. She can't believe she's talking to herself. That's why I have to have a YouTube moment. Sitting there holding a conversation, making everybody in it, and making everybody feel uncomfortable. And look, if she's homeless, that's the reason why I have a YouTube channel, everybody, because out here the homeless people run this city. They do whatever they want. That's not fair. This lady should not be able to do whatever she wants just because she's homeless. Look in the mirror. Organize your own life instead of ruining other people's.